Your phone's gonna get wet.
I'll take chances.
Stop. Just get the good part. Just get the lead. That's all you need. You don't need a minute of me just sitting here holding a towel.
Don't you think this whole conversation is hilarious? I think it's hilarious.
Just take a picture of the towel for him. He'll get that. We don't need the whole video.
Okay. I'll do that.
I know you're
Damn it! There.
liar.
Yeah, no. Hate it.
It's about to get to the worst part. Heavy duty pouring. When it does the really hard rinse, that's when it comes through. Stop. That's not funny. Oh God, here you